Good morning, students. This is 11th standard botany video class, video 7. In this video, we are going to continue the lesson Taxonomy and Systematic Botany, Angiospermic Families. Dear students, last video class we have seen general characteristic features of family Musaceae. Now, we are going to see botanical description of family Musaceae and their species and the genus Musa paradisiaca in this video. Dear students, botanical description of Musa paradisiaca. It is a gigantic plant, perennial herb. We already studied in the general character. Root, it's a monocot family, fibrous adventitious root system. Stem, whatever you studied in the general characters, that is real stem is underground called rhizomatous. The apparent, aerial, erect and branched pseudostem is formed by long, stiff and sheathy leaf bases which are rolled around one above another to form an aerial pseudostem. Is important 2-mark question and 3-mark question. The central axis that is concealed at the bottom of the pseudostem is called shaft, that is vaழத்தண்டு. The shaft elongated pierce through the pseudostem and produce the inflorescence terminally at the time of flowering. Next one, leaf simple, long, strong, petiole. பெரிய காம்பு இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஸோ தட் தண்டு மாதிரி இருக்கும், that is said to be petiole. Leaf blade is large, broad, with sheathy leaf bases. Stipules are absent, exstipulate. The shape of the leaf is obtuse. Venation is pinnately parallel venation, extended up to the leaf margin, and the phyllotaxy is spiral. Then inflorescence is a branched spadix. Flowers are protected by large, brightly colored, boat-shaped, spirally arranged bract is called spathe. It's an important 2-mark question. We already seen in the general characters. When the flowers are open, the bract, that means spathe, rolls back and fall off. வாழை மரத்துக்கிட்ட பார்த்து தார் விட்ட பிறகு பார்த்துருந்தீங்கன்னா கீழே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சுருள் சுருளாக அந்த ப்ரௌன் கலரில் கிடக்கும். That is said to be a spathe. It will be roll off and fall from the herbaceous plant at the time of flowering. That means flowers opening. Then flower, bract present, bracteate, bracteole absent, ebracteolate. Stalk is absent in the flower, sessile flower. Petals are 3, trimerous. வாழைப்பூ எடுத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா முனையில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 3 டிவிஷன் இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். Unisexual or bisexual. Flowers are zygomorphic and epigynous. Perianth, tepals are 6, 2 whorls, each 3 in 1 whorl. They are fused together, so syn tepalous. So the perianth which is arranged in 2 whorls of 3 each and homochlamydious, that is one of the whorl is absent, either calyx or corolla is absent or modified into perianth. That condition is called homochlamydious. Out of the 6 tepal, outer 3 tepal and inner 2 lateral tepal side position are fused together to form a 5-toothed tube-like structure is called abaxial lip. Is the important 2-mark question. The posterior tepal alone free, which is broad and membranous, is known as labellum. Is another important 2-mark question. So both the questions are we already seen in the general characters. Next one, androecium. Stamens are 6, arranged in 2 whorls, each 3. Out of this 6 stamens, 5 stamens are fertile That means they took part in the reproductive function. The posterior one, which is act as a staminode, are absent. The anthers are having two lobes, dithecous, dehisced by horizontal position, that is vertical slit. Filaments are simple, filiform, hairy outgrowth. In the male flower means a shortened gynoecium is present, that is pistillode, or rudimentary ovary or pistillode is often present in the male flower. Then gynoecium, carpels are 3, tricarpellary, fused syncarpus. Due to number of carpels, 3 carpels, 3 chamber is there, trilocular. Flower is epigynous, so ovary is inferior, which is located at the base. Numerous ovules on axial placentation. Style is simple and filiform. Stigma, which is 3-lobed. Septal nectaries are present in the stigma. Next one, fruit is already studied, elongated berry. But the seeds are not used as an cultivated purpose. அந்த வாழை பழத்துக்குள்ளே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சின்ன சின்னதாக கருப்பு கருப்பாக இருக்கும். That is the seeds தான். But on the seed we cannot able to use to develop as a new plant. இன்னொரு வாழை மரத்தை அதுலேருந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, உருவாக்க முடியாது. That's why they given here. Seeds are not produced in cultivated varieties. Floral formula, male flower, because it is a polygamous plant. Staminate flower, pistillate flower and bisexual flowers are present in the same plant, that is polygamous. So we have to write 3 floral formula. First one, male flower, bracts present BR, EBRL, zygomorphic, male plant, perianthus, tepal 6, 3 plus 2 are fused together, so within the bracket, plus posterior tepal is free, so plus 1. Andrecium 6 arranged in 2 whorls, 3 plus 3. Gynoecium is 0 or absent. Then female flower, bract present, bracteole absent, EBRL, zygomorphic, female flower. Perianth 3 plus 2 fused within the bracket, plus 1 free. Andrecium is absent, 0. Gynoecium is 3 carpels, so 3 fused syncarpels. So within the bracket, inferior ovary, so we are draw a line at the top. Then bisexual flower, BR, EBRL, actinomorphic, bisexual symbol. Perianth is same, 3 plus 2 plus 1. Andrecium is 3 plus 3. Gynoecium is 3. So this is the 3 floral formula of the genus Musa paradisiaca. Dear students, up to this we have seen botanical description of Musa paradisiaca. The next one is the economic importance of family Musaceae. First one, food plant. The binomial name is Musa paradisiaca. Useful part. We are using in plant and tree. வாழை மரத்தில் எதெல்லாம் சாப்பிட்றோம், வாழை தண்டு, shaft. Then leaf is used as an plate during the festival time. Then fruit we are eating. Then the entire inflorescence, flowers are used as an vegetable. So that's why they are given here. The raw, that means tender green, banana, வாழைக்காய். The shaft, வாழை தண்டு. And male buds and leaves are used as an useful part. Uses, the bananas, tender bananas, cooked and eaten as vegetable. Leaves, see the paragraph, commonly used as an plates on festival occasion and are widely used to wrap food items. சூடா ஒரு பொருளை கட்டுறதுக்கு அதை பயன்படுத்துகிறோம் இல்லையா, wrap food items. Fruit when cooking. Crunchy and salty field plantain chips are delicious. வாழைக்காய் chips பண்ணுறோம் இல்லையா, that is said to be crunchy and salty fried plantain chips are delicious. Flower stalk, that is, what is that one? Shaft, edible after cooking. Ensitte ventricosa is a fruit, edible bananas. Musa chinensis is known as Chinia kela. Kelana vazhaparam. Chinia kela, which are sweet, rich in starch and vitamins. Then medicinal plant, Musa species, sap அப்படின்னா வாழைத்தண்டு சாறு, obtained from the sheathi leaf bases, அந்த இலையினுடைய அடிப்பகுதி இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதுலேருந்து பார்த்து பிழிஞ்சிங்கன்னா தண்ணியாக வரும். That is said to be sap obtained from the sheathi leaf base, considered to be an antidote for cobra bite. ஸோ ஸ்னேக் குரோபா கடிச்சிச்சுனாக்கா அந்த இடத்துல அந்த லீஃபினுடைய அடிப்பகுதியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய சாறு எடுத்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், we can able to apply for antidote to prevent the poisonous substance of cobra bite. Next one, starch, Ensitte ventricosum, Ethiopian banana, a swollen basal part of the leaf sheath, used as a source of starch and vitamin. Fiber yielding plant, Musa textilis, is the Manila hemp. A fiber is a useful part. Fiber is woven and made into abaca cloth. துணி தயாரிக்க பயன்படுத்துகிறாங்க இந்த பிளான்ட்டோட ஃபைபர்லேருந்து. ஆல்சோ யூஸ்டு ஃபார் ட்வைன், நூல், பேக்கிங் அண்ட் wrapping பேப்பர். Ornamental plant, Musa coccinea is a wild banana species. Musa acuminata and Musa velutina and Musa ornata, Ensitte ventricosum. So this is all the plant. Have ornamental scarlet flowers, cultivated as ornamental. So this is all the different economic importance of family Musaceae. So dear students, up to this we have completed our portions. Hereafter we are going to revise the lesson for third midterm test and also annual examination. Dear students, up to this I conclude my video. Remaining we will see in the next video class for revision. God bless you. All the best, children.